Do you know your skin type?
Rose World YouTube channel, come take a ride. Hit that subscribe, stay locked inside.
Hi everyone, welcome to Pearl's World. So I know it's been a while since I gave you content. Okay, I took some time off. I know I've deleted most of my videos because Charlie, something happened and a girl needed to stay low-key. It's been a year already, but Charlie, I'll give you the full gist, maybe some other video. But today I just want us to talk about our skin. You know, I've already posted a video that I want to teach you guys how to do your own makeup. As a girl, why can't you do your own makeup? That is why I've taken it upon myself to teach you everything you need to know about makeup. But first of all, I want you to know about your skin. The makeup tutorials will follow, but I want you to know your skin better, the kind of skin you have. That is, we have 4 types of skin. So we have the oily skin, we have dry, combination, and sensitive. So you need to know which of these 4 you belong to, so that when you go out there and you want to buy makeup, you will know the kind of brand you'd want to buy from. When you go to a makeup shop and you want to buy foundation, you want to buy powder, anything that you want to buy from, even skincare products, let them know that you have oily skin and you need oil-free products. So when you come to foundation, you need oil-free foundation that doesn't have oil in it to help with your skin, to help with your makeup. You need oil-free foundation. Also, ask for matte foundation. Okay, products that are matte, that are dry. I think with that, Maybelline has that. Maybelline has Superstay. Superstay, they have it in types. You can get the matte and you can get the one that has oil in it. I will help you with 4 shops that you can easily get products from. Okay, they are legit. They will give you original stuff, and they know so much about skin that when you tell them, they will assess you first, then give you what you need to buy from them. Okay, then if you have dry skin and you want to buy makeup products, also when you go to a makeup shop and you need to get products, ask for products that has a little bit oil in it, not too much, but oil in it. Okay, if you have combination skin like myself, combination skin, when you go to the makeup shop and you need to get product, you can ask for products that are lightweight, okay, that are not too thick. People with sensitive skin, dear, please talk to whoever you are buying from. So when you go to a makeup shop, just let them know that, oh, I react easily with products, so let me know that, okay, if MAC will be good for me, let me buy MAC. If Fenty is there, let me buy Fenty. I won't react to Fenty, so you know what to buy. Okay, and let's go to the 4 shops that you can easily get products from. First on the list is Nene Beauty. Nene is at Abeka Free Pipe. You can go to her, you can order through Instagram or call her. Second on the list is General Merchant. General Merchant is at Medina. She too, when you go there, you can walk in or you can buy online. Then third on the list is BB Beauty. BB Beauty is at Nyamiche. So BB, she has skincare and makeup products as well. And the 4th on the list is Affordable Beauty. Affordable Beauty is at Nima. You can walk in and you can order online as well. So just get the right product and speak to a dermatologist or someone that can help with your skin. Let me leave you here. Know about your skin. Very important. So our next video, I will ask questions. If you know your skin type, I will ask questions, okay? And I'll mention names. So know about your skin, read more. Don't forget to subscribe at the end of this video. Comment down below, like and share, okay? And share for the next video to be dropped. Love you. Mwah.